Hello friends, this is Mohan Aglave. Friends, I wish you and your family a very happy and healthy new year. Friends, today is the first day of the new year and this is the day on which we make some promises to ourselves. I mean, more or less everyone makes some promises to ourselves. So today I am going to discuss on two keywords, that is success and persistency. See friends, success and persistency, these are proportional to each other. I mean, if you want to become a successful, then you should be a persistent. And if you are persistent, then success is yours. See friends, if you ask me the definition of success, the answer is we can't define success. I mean, there is no universal definition for success because it varies. It varies from people to people, from person to person. See, for some people, success means satisfaction. For some people, success means achieving a goal. And for some people, success means earning a desired money. And yes, for some people, success means happiness. It is there. Yeah. On another hand, persistency is never give up easily in spite of so many failures, so many rejection. I mean, keep doing the things in spite of so many failures. So that is all about the persistency. See friends, success is a process. It is a process and it has certain steps. So there are majorly 3 steps. We'll see one by one. Now the first step towards success is start loving the things that you are doing. See friends, many people always complain about their current profession. I mean, they are not happy at all with their current profession. I mean, whatever they are doing, they are not happy. They always have complaints. I want to become something else, I deserve better, and so on. So for such people, I want to say that please change your profession immediately without any second thought. I mean, whatever you are doing, change it. Isn't it? And if you can't change it and you don't have any choice, you don't have any option, then please start loving whatever you are doing. Isn't it? See friends, whatever you are doing, that should become from the bottom of your heart. So it is the first step towards the success. Isn't it? Now the second step, which is very important, that is set up a goal. See friends, once you set up the goal, that you have to distinguish into 2 parts, that is short term goal and second is long term goal. Here more or less what happens ki many people have a phobia of failure, and it is the reason why they can't think big, even they can't imagine big. See friends, problems will be there, obstacles will be there, failure will be there, मुश्किलें रहेंगी, परेशानियां रहेंगी, कठिनाइयां रहेंगी. तो आपको इन सारी चीजों की आदत डालनी है, इन सारी चीजों से आपको नाता जोड़ना है. दोस्तों, मेरी एक कविता है, उसी कविता में से आपको 2 लाइनें सुनाऊंगा. ऐसा जीता हो जिंदा दिली से बेफिक्र होकर, ऐसा जीता हो जिंदा दिली से बेफिक्र होकर, जैसे सब कुछ पा लिया हो मैंने और आदत हो गई मुसीबतों से लड़ने की इस कदर, जैसे इन्हें रिश्तेदार बना लिया हो मैंने. सो सी, अंडरस्टैंड फ्रेंड, these are the barriers and you need to overcome these barriers, and for that इन सारी चीजों की आपको आदत डालनी होगी, नाता जोड़ लो इन सारी चीजों से. Now many of you ask me कि what will happen. See friends, once you start accepting the things, then believe me, you are mentally prepare for handling the obstacles. It is psychological factor is there. I mean, it is there, isn't it? And the third and the major step is assign the timeline. See, once you set up the goal, then assign the timeline. Many people set up the goal, but they never assign the timeline, isn't it? जैसे मुझे 4 BHK हाउस लेना है, लेकिन कब? I want to become at this level. When? So whatever goal you are setting, that should be a time bounded. You have to assign certain timeline for your short term goal as well as long term goal, isn't it? Now friends, thereafter persistency comes in picture. Once you set up the goal, you have to plan something and then you need to start working towards your goal. That too with consistent efforts and with consistent hard work. देखिए दोस्तों, कैलेंडर तो सभी के घर में रहता है. ये जो कैलेंडर है हर दिन डेट चेंज करता है, हर दिन. लेकिन एक डेट ऐसी आती है कि ये कैलेंडर ही चेंज कर देती है. समझ रहे हो बात को? एक बंदा रहता है, उसे पत्थर तोड़ने का काम दिया जाता है, ठीक है. बंदा काम पे लग जाता है, 2 दिन से पत्थर तोड़ता है लेकिन नहीं तोड़ पाता. समझ रहे हो? तीसरे दिन वो काफी थकान महसूस करता है और मुझसे अब ये नहीं होगा करके काम छोड़ देता है. तो वही काम दूसरे बंदे को दिया जाता है और वो दूसरा बंदा मात्र कुछ ही समय में वो पत्थर तोड़ देता है. सो द मॉरल लर्निंग इज the first person was just step away from the success, but because of he gave up little bit early, he didn't taste the success. So you need to be a persistent, you need to be a consistent, isn't it? Yeah. See friends, over and above it, we see the common habits of all successful people across the world. And when we have seen it, there is one common habit of all these successful people, and that is their spiritual side, अध्यात्म. ये जो सारे सक्सेसफुल लोग थे, इन सभी लोगों का भगवान के प्रति एक विश्वास था. इन सारे लोगों की भगवान के प्रति एक श्रद्धा थी. So that spiritual side is there, isn't it? And when you are on the road of success, then you are not me, you are we. See friends, some persons are always there with you, okay? They are praying for you, they are supporting for you, they are standing for you. Maybe they are not coming forefront, but they are always behind the screen, isn't it? So never lose such a person. And see, more or less everyone has contributed in human lives. So be grateful to everyone. See, we don't know how long people are with us, okay? So be grateful to everyone. See, simply you have to ignore small things. You have to keep your ego aside, you have to control your temper, you have to keep your attitude aside, isn't it? I mean, it doesn't mean that you have to surrender every time, but be polite, isn't it? Be polite and be grateful to the everyone, okay? So that will bring you an inner peace, okay? And that will help you to deliver better result, isn't it? Yeah. So friends, if you are doing the things in the same way and still you are not getting success, then you have to change your approach towards the thing. You have to do the things in other way. You have to try to do the things in a other way. देखो दोस्तों, एक हिंदी मूवी का डायलॉग है कि मैंने जीने का तरीका बदला है, तेवर नहीं. तो देखिए, your ultimate aim should be same, your ultimate goal should be same. Yeah, you can change little bit, like sometimes you have to be rigid, sometimes you have to be flexible. At some point of time you have to adopt certain set of skill that is there, isn't it? Yeah. So see friends, if I conclude my overall discussion, then the moral is, if you want to become a successful, If you want to taste success, then you should be a persistent. You need to adopt this persistency, isn't it? And if you are persistent, then believe me, success is yours. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दोस्तों.